Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use memory fragments in Black Desert. These valuable items are essential for maintaining your powerful equipment. They primarily restore maximum durability on green, blue, and yellow grade gear, especially crucial for boss items. Each fragment typically restores 1 durability point on high-end equipment, making them a vital resource for every adventurer. Understanding their use will save you significant silver and time. Acquiring memory fragments is a key part of the process. One of the most consistent ways is by defeating awakened boss scrolls, which can yield many fragments per run. You can also participate in world boss encounters, as they often drop fragments as rewards. Don't forget to complete your daily and weekly quests, as these frequently offer fragments. Additionally, you can exchange hunter's seals for fragments in most major cities, providing another reliable source. Now, let's walk through the repair process. First, open your inventory and locate your memory fragments. Right-click on a memory fragment and a repair window will appear. Next, select the piece of equipment you want to repair from your inventory. Confirm the repair, and the fragment will restore maximum durability. Remember, some items, especially boss gear, require 1 fragment per durability point, so have enough on hand for a full repair. To maximize your memory fragment usage, consider these tips. For green grade items, it's often more cost-effective to repair them using other green items of the same type. Save your precious memory fragments for yellow and orange grade gear, where they are most valuable. For a significant boost, use an artisan's memory, which multiplies the durability restored by 4 times. Finally, always check the central market for fragment prices to make informed purchasing decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.